They say life is a journey, well this is mine. Being trying to get it off my chest, I never gave me time. They give me everything but love, you know how that go. Put me down every time I flow, still I got my shine. Kwanum, tango modala kanjoka, yep. B-City, M-Dub, that's my home, I say. My voice on the track, that's the place I play. You can never come close, I swear, this is what I am today. K-E-Y-I, been around the world, man. Same bitch that gotta deal with jealousy, controls, I figure. My heart to the people, that's why I sing songs, man. Looking for my friends and my foes, man. In the I ain't really close, man. Black sheep or the fam, feel at home. When I rhyme in due time, I will shine. Welcome to my state of mind. Got the money, power, respect that I need. You thought when I'm the hope, y'all will all welcome me. Everybody's got a story to tell, well this is mine. I spent days on my own trying to figure we didn't need your time. Cause your problems are nine compared to these are Klein. And the haters they keep talking, they can figure my scene can. Now left was first on the journey to the place I rest. When you're like what, they can figure kujita kusinta steps. Home of the brave, north, south, east and west. B-City, if you talk of the rap is impressive, yes. Now get this straight, I'm not a crook, but I'm not that straight. Most of you can now relate, it's most of you that brought me hurts. Maybe they made you a sugar good deal with some regrets. But I'm home now, I'm sorry to have made you wait. With the same intent, telling the world that ends up great. Straight out the gate, if you were thinking I was not a threat. But the path I took to get here, I was sure regrets. But I'm home now, I'm sorry to have made you wait. They say home is where the heart is. It's where my heart is at is. It's where I rep the hardest and I say whatever I please. Now who could tussle with me? The black, the red and the green. Being stuck in my flow since probably heating 13. Addictive like a nicotine. Yeah, hustle for cream. Do get out of line. I gotta do involve him. I say a prayer to call him, although it's not that often. Scripted in my outfit, David, let the skies be open. We're leaving faith and hoping that we will go in holding hands with everybody to the place where life is golden. But in the meantime, I say I'm provoking those of you who told you that I wouldn't make it home, and I'm home. Yeah, Dafika Kwatu. It's been a long time coming. Bondu kupiti rabe.